Assalamualaikum madam. Today our group will present Ecotourism Guide app. Now let's move to group member. This is our group member. First, Ahmad Hasbi Hassani bin Sembok. Second, Muhammad Alif Daniel bin Muhammad Ibrahim. Myself, Nora Biha binti Zulkifli. And the last, Batrisha binti Muzaidin. The introduction is WanderGreen Ecotourism Platform is a web-based solution that addresses challenges in Malaysia ecotourism sector, include greenwashing, limited visibility of local communities. It connects traveller with verified guide and certified operator through an offline first and lightweight system suitable for remote area. The project aims to promote sustainable tourism and achieve its MOV by increasing local guide booking by 25%. The custom lightweight ecotourism apps was selected as the best solution due to scalability and long-term benefit. Next, project background. Malaysia has many famous tourism destinations such as Taman Negara and Royal Bloom Rainforest. However, the sector face challenges include limited digital platform and low visibility of local communities. Existing travel applications are unsuitable for remote areas due to internet dependency and high battery usage. Therefore, a lightweight and offline capable ecotourism platform is needed to connect travelers with verified local guides and support sustainable tourism. Now, let's move to the problem statement. We have two problem statements. First, regional context. Malaysia untapped potential. Malaysia has rich biodiversity and famous destinations such as Taman Negara and Royal Bloom. Greenwashing make it difficult to identify genuine sustainable provider. Rural and indigenous guides have limited digital visibility, causing tourism income to benefit large agencies. Second, critical technical failure, remote environment. Existing travel app requires stable internet connection, which are often unavailable in remote ecotourism areas. Lack of offline maps affect navigation in locations like Royal Bloom Rainforest. High battery and data usage reduce reliability during off-grid travel.
This slide shows the proposed solution for our projects. First, the platform connects tourists directly with verified local guides, making it easier for users to find trusted guides while helping local communities gain more opportunities. Second, it provides offline maps and navigation, allowing tourists to access important information even in areas with limited or no internet connection. Third, the platform implements a centralized verification system to reduce greenwashing by ensuring that only verified ecotourism operators are listed. In addition, the system supports secure online booking and payment, making the booking process more convenient and reliable. Lastly, the platform promotes sustainable tourism by encouraging responsible travel while increasing income and economic opportunities for local communities. This project has four main objectives. First, to justify the project need by demonstrating the importance of having a lightweight and offline capable ecotourism platform. This platform can improve Malaysia's digital ecotourism infrastructure and make tourism information more accessible, especially in remote areas. Second, to define the problems and solutions. This project aims to address issues such as greenwashing, the limited digital visibility of local guides, and poor application performance in remote locations. Third, to support sustainable tourism by empowering indigenous and rural communities through greater exposure and tourism opportunities. Lastly, to establish measurable organizational value. Our target is to increase bookings for verified local guides by 25% within the first year and onboard 100 verified ecotourism operators. This target will help measure the success and effectiveness of the proposed system.
Next, our functional requirements. This app is built around 4 key user rules. First, tourists can easily search destinations, book local guides directly, and pay securely. Second, local guides get a streamlined toolset to manage their daily schedules and accept bookings. Third, eco operators use the platform to manage larger tour packages and, most importantly, submit documents for our mandatory greenwashing audits. Finally, administrators oversee the entire ecosystem, verifying those sustainability claims, monitoring transactions, and tracking our success metrics. By separating these roles, we ensure that every stakeholder has exactly the tools they need to make sustainable tourism work. Moving to our non-functional requirements, we focus on 4 key pillars to ensure a seamless technical experience. First is reliability. The system operates consistently and automatically syncs any offline data the moment an internet connection is restored. Second is the tourist experience. We guarantee a simple, user-friendly interface that anyone can navigate easily regardless of technical skill. Third is performance. The system is optimized to respond within 3 seconds and easily supports multiple concurrent users without slowing down. Finally, security. We rigorously protect all user data and transactions using a robust encryption, secure logins, and strict role-based access control.
Okay, let's move to the Gantt chart. There's a lot of phases in this project, and let's start with the planning. The first step in planning is project kick-off and requirement gathering, which take 1 week. And the next step is consultation and park ranger and local guide. It also take 1 week to finish it. It's followed by risk management and infrastructure planning, and it's took 2 weeks. The deliverable in this phase is approved project charter and MOV baseline, and it's also take 2 weeks. Move to the next one, which is design phase. And in design phase, the first step is UI and UX lean design, battery and dark mode focus. This step take 2 weeks to finish, and the next step is database architecture and geospatial offline mapping design, also take 2 weeks to finish, followed by greenwashing audit workflow and interface blueprint, also take 2 weeks to finish. And the deliverable in this design phase is complete system design and stakeholder sign off, and it also take 2 weeks to finish. Let's move to the implementation phase. The first step is core SQL backend and server environment setup. It took us 4 weeks to finish, and followed by offline map, API integration, and mobile sync engineering, also took 4 weeks to finish. And the next one is operator audit onboarding module development. This step required 3 weeks to finish. And the deliverable in implementation phase is complete core application modules, and it also took us 3 weeks to finish. Let's move to the testing phase. And the first step in testing phase is system and security integrity testing, which need 2 weeks to finish. The next one is low connectivity zone beta test pilot development. Also, this one need 3 weeks to finish, followed by the battery consumption and performance optimization, and it took us 2 weeks to finish. The deliverable in this phase is final optimized system ready to roll out. It also need us 2 weeks to finish. The next phase is maintenance and support, which include app development and national rollout launch, and it took us 1 week to finish. The Next one is digital literacy training and guide dashboard outboarding. It also took us 1 week to finish. The deliverable in this phase is post-launch bug fix and ongoing server monitoring. It took us 2 weeks to finish. And the last phase is project closure. And in project closure, we have project review meeting and final project report, which need 1 week to finish, followed by post-mortem evaluation and initial MOV target review that also need 1 week to finish. Okay.
This slide shows the budget estimate for our project. The total estimated project cost is RM354,822.80. The budget covers several major cost categories, including project management and labor, software license, hardware, server infrastructure, maintenance, training, and marketing. These costs are necessary to ensure the system can be developed, implemented, and maintained successfully. Based on the financial analysis, the project has an NPV of RM761,076.65, which indicates the positive returns. The ROI is 31.47%, showing that the project is financially beneficial. In addition, the payback period is 0.82 years, or approximately 10 months, which means the initial investment can be recovered in less than a year. Overall, this shows that the project is financially feasible and worth investing in.
Okay, let's move to the risk management. There are 4 things in risk management, and the first one is assumption. The development team use an compatible smartphone with available throughout the project. The next one is internal risk, which is possible development delay, limit offline first experience and verification issue, and system performance problem challenges. The next one is external risks, which include the project may also affect by third-party service downtime and limit internet connectivity in remote areas. And the last one is constraint. Constraint is offline functionality must operate efficiently on low-end smartphone with limited battery capacity.
Here is the system prototype. On the left, you can see our main interface featuring a clean, accessible design with secure user authentication built directly into the navigation. On the right, our destination exploration page allows tourists to visually discover protected environments. We also integrated an interactive, frequently asked questions section to immediately address common inquiries and promote environmental awareness from the moment a user logs in. This page represents the core value of our platform, solving the greenwashing problem. Our verified eco-operatives directory clearly displays transparent star ratings and our strict certified eco-operator badge. Most importantly, the book and pay securely feature allows travelers to transact directly with indigenous guides, successfully preventing economic leakage to urban intermediaries. To directly address the technical risks outlined in our business case, we developed the offline geospatial maps hub. Knowing that mainstream apps fail in remote areas like Mount Kinabalu, this safety feature allows travelers to download highly optimized, battery-efficient maps before they lose their signal. This ensures they can navigate safely off-grid without relying on weak cellular networks. Finally, this is our contact and inquiry management interface. We designed a streamlined, user-friendly support form with dynamic validation to capture essential details like destination and experience level. This guarantees reliable and structured communication between the tourists and our platform administrators, ensuring every booking request is handled efficiently.
Okay, let's move to the conclusion. So, in conclusion, the WanderGreen ecotourism platform provides a practical digital solution to improve Malaysian ecotourism industry by combining verified ecotourism service, offline navigation, secure booking, and support for local communities. The system addressed the current challenges of greenwashing, limited digital accessibility, and unreliable travel application. With strong financial performance, clear project objective, and comprehensive system feature, the proposed platform has the potential to promote sustainable tourism while benefiting both traveler and local ecotourist operator.